We just received some beautiful samples from Canadel.
And Canadel is a family-run furniture company based out of Quebec. Often when you walk into a store, you're like, oh, I like that, but I wish the table was square, not round. Or it would be so great if that fabric was blue and not pink. This company actually gives you the chance to customize on all those levels.
Even table legs or table pedestals, those are all up for changing around. One of my favorites is actually a really beautiful modern farmhouse set. It's got really clean lines, but it still has that rustic character. I really enjoy the table in a nice warm wood. Instead of having chairs all around the table, you could have an upholstered bench with it. I love this tufted and skirted bench. I think it would look beautiful with the table. There are so many color options that you can order it in to really suit your space.
Canadel's downtown collection is full of great pieces that have almost mid-century modern lines. They're amazing for mixing in with other styles so that you get that really personal mix in your home, which we all love. You can customize the chairs in a range of fabrics, including several beautiful new velvets they have in right now. You can also customize the table with different top and table leg versions.
Different glass colors.
Glass colors, which is so great. You can do frosted.
In the Canadel collection, there's a magnitude of different wood colors that are available in different finishes, such as matte or antiqued. So you can really get the look that you're after.
It's sometimes really hard to look at a fabric sample and a wood sample and know how they're going to look together. And what's really great about the web tool is that it allows you to see that take shape, literally. Mixing a pattern with a different kind of wood, or what if I went crazy and did this like wild color combination? You can be your most bold decorating self online. See if you love it, and then order it if you're feeling good about it. I have to admit, after going through all of Canadel's collections, I started maybe shopping for my own place.
Yeah, I did too. It's hard not to.
Dangerous, especially when you can do it in your pajamas.
Yes, online.